Welcome to 4 Minutes of Studying, and I'm going to study about for one subject that is for management accounting, and I'm going to start from where I left over. So yesterday, if I'm correct, I was able to differentiate between variable cost and fixed cost. Where variable cost is that cost which changes according to the proportion of the units, and variable cost per unit remains fixed, whereas the total variable cost rises according to s- the total units, right? According to change in units, whereas the total fixed cost remains same throughout the various level of units, but fixed cost per unit changes over the time. That's the difference between fixed cost and variable cost. Now, meow. What's total cost? Total cost is simply refers to sum of variable cost and fixed cost. That is total cost. Okay, that's total cost for you. Very easy. Now, what is semi-variable cost? Semi-variable cost is the cost which is neither variable nor fixed cost. That is semi-variable cost. That is to mean that certain percent of cost is fixed cost, whereas certain percent of cost is variable cost, and mixture of this is semi-variable cost. Well, weird. Well, for the semi-variable cost, the graph looks like more like total cost than anything else. It's kind of weird thing that total cost refers to aggregate of all, right? But semi-variable cost also kind of means like total cost, but isn't total cost. Yeah, understanding. What I am trying to say is that since both the total cost and semi-variable cost consist of variable cost as well as fixed cost, why are they different? I think semi-variable cost is different in the sense that it's not a total part. It is rather a unit part. Rather, for a certain unit, is there certain percentage of fixed and certain percentage of variable. Therefore, it's semi-variable cost. Whereas total cost is total because it is a total fixed cost and total variable cost of all the units. That's the main difference. Well, that is enough studying, and this is very good. I found one of the biggest hurdles, and I'm really glad I studied.